Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make torus thicker in Blender. After starting Blender, we can go to Add Mesh and add the torus here. Click to add the torus, goes up to V, and then we can go to bottom left panel. We can find Add Torus Panel. Click to open it. We can go to major radius and minor radius to adjust the size and adjust the thickness. So we can change it to here. If we're happy with this, we can press empty space to apply the size. This is first way to adjust the size and the thickness of torus. If we have the torus already, we can use the second way. Now I select the torus and then I want to show it here. I switch it to X-ray mode and show wireframe of torus. So we can select the torus and go to Modifier Properties and add the modifier. Now go to Generate, we can find Solidify. Click to edit, and then we can go to, I should enlarge the panel. We can go to Solidify Modifier and then find the thickness, we can adjust it. I should choose the offset to +1, so I type 1 in offset. So we can adjust the size here. So we can increase it to here in the thickness. So we can see that there is the original torus. If we don't want to keep it, we can click only RAM. Next, we can go to the small arrow and then click Apply Solidify Modifier. So we got the thicker torus by using Solidify Modifier. So this is how we can make torus thicker in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video we will share with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.